In our funnel controls, we can see the steps, which show us, again, all the steps that we have inside our funnel. And in this case, we created a few payments so that we see a bit more information for the steps. You can also see the analytics about the traffic and how many visitors you have inside your funnel during a specific time frame. In the sales, you'll see the actual sales happening for a specific day. And in this case, we have a few subscriptions so that you can actually see how a subscription looks like. And you have this information about how many people have subscribed and what is your monthly recurring revenue if you are charging per month. So you can see the information for that specific day. In the orders, you will see all the different orders that has happened on your funnel and a specific day, time, and a customer. If you want to see more information about each order, you can click on View All Orders and you'll see in the store a detailed information about each of the orders. In the products, you can see the actual product that you've just sold in your funnel. In this case, we have 3 orders for the membership and 1 upsell. If you want to create another product, again, you can do it from the store or by clicking on this product button that will actually lead you to the store. And finally, the upsells and downsells. So if your funnel, like in our case, we have a pop-up that helps you do an upsell, you will see this information here. So we have an upsell, which is for $10. The upsell success is 33% because from 3 orders, we have 1 upsell happening. If we have a downsell, you also have the information about the downsell. And it's a really cool way to track how many what is your percentage of upselling different products with your funnel. The upsell in this case works as that when somebody does a checkout from this step, they will go directly into the next step, which is an actual pop-up where people can purchase with 1 click the product that has been connected to this upsell button. So this is it. This is the controls, the steps, the analytics, the sales that are being happening, the orders, the products that you have sold, and the upsells and downsells. This is it. I hope that you enjoy the steps and the different functionalities that you have there. And again, if you have any questions, just let us know.